It's 1:30 in the morning in Reno, Nevada, and police are called back to the same apartment complex, again. Neighbors say a man has been screaming for a long time, but when officers arrive, this isn't just noise, because the guy outside isn't only angry, he's amped, he's unpredictable, and he's looking at police like they're the enemy. And by the end of this, the officers will find something inside his apartment that explains why this night spiraled so fast.
Second time after reports of a man who was yelling.
Looks like they're just open. Hey Chris, Reno PD, what's going on, man?
I got no guns.
Okay.
Who are you?
I'm with the Reno Police Department. I work with your brother.
Get your hand off the weapon right there, mother. I got my hands right here.
No,
Take your hat off. You. You.
Chris.
You.
Chris, what is going on, man?
Coming out there.
Alright, what's
Talk
going
to
on?
you guys. Where's my brother? I need a hug, man. Don't shoot me. Please.
Where is your brother? I don't know. We've been trying to get a hold of him.
Can I get a hold of my brother?
We tried to get a hold of him. He's not answering right now, Chris.
My name is Christopher Henderson. You guys shot me 2020. You guys didn't pay me any money. You
Chris.
shot me in my right shoulder.
We know, bud.
Chris, what is going on?
We're not here to
Jesus.
hurt you.
What's going on today, Chris?
Let me do some pull-ups. Get the out of my way. Move away. All of you. All of you move the away. Back the up.
The brother of an officer and military veteran.
I'm going to walk to the hospital with my dog now. Get the out of here. All of you now.
Chris, what is going on today, man?
If I ask you guys nicely, I'm going to tell you guys right now. Whoever could go toe-to-toe with me, head-to-head, push-up to push-up, let's get it. Go on, facing the west right here.
You're yoked, bud.
Facing that. I'm not saying I'm yoked. Okay? Back up and stay. Are you scared? You're scared. You're scared. Are you scared or not? Be honest.
I'm not scared of you, dude. There's
I know you're not scared of me. I'm scared of me. I fear one man. And his name is, do you want to know what his name is? Can I do a push-up? You guys won't shoot me in the back?
We're not, Chris.
You promise me? Listen, I'm a man.
Chris, do you remember
I'm
me?
a man, right? I'm a man.
Chris, do you remember me? We talked at Sports West.
What's your name?
It's Goodrich.
Goodrich. What's your first name?
It's Elliot.
Elliot what?
Elliot Goodrich.
When's your birthday?
Well, Chris, it's in February.
What's your number of your birthday?
Chris, what's going on tonight?
I'm doing 14.
Chris,
My brother's February 14th, 1979.
Yeah, I know your brother. I know
What?
Monique as well.
Dude, shut the up.
Chris, what's going on?
Shut the up!
Why are we out here tonight?
Because I want you to shut the up.
Why do you keep yelling?
Shut your mouth, please.
Chris.
Put your taser down and shut your mouth. I see your taser right there.
I know, because you got me amped up right now, Chris.
All your weapons, I see them right here.
Chris.
I got you amped up because you guys are soft. Every one of you out here is soft.
Okay.
Every single one of you, especially that guy right there.
Here, Chris spots another officer standing in the distance and is, let's just say, not too happy about it.
They think he's some kind of cowboy over there. I see you, dude.
I'm not trying to hide.
Who you think you're hard?
Chris.
You think you're hard, motherfucker? You think you're standing there hard?
Stop, my friend.
You're gonna shoot me because you think I think
no.
I'm better than you.
I was there when that happened, my friend. Do you
Shut
want
the
to
up!
Okay.
You weren't there.
Yes, I was.
Did you come up and hit me in the chest, man?
No,
You're okay.
I tried to
Did you come up and hit me in the abs, man? You're good.
Chris, can we
Did you
please-
do that?
Chris, can
Did you
listen?
say I love you, bro? Did you say that to me?
Chris.
Was my brother there?
Hey, Chris, can we get you some help, my friend?
I already got you.
Officers keep their distance from the 45-year-old as this late-night drama continues.
What's up?
Chris.
My boy Mike
Chris,
here.
stop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hey,
7
why
times.
don't-
You're gonna shoot me? I got no weapons. What
Chris,
else you want to see? You want to see the song?
Chris,
You want to see the Sheehan song, dude? All of you real?
Chris,
You guys think you're hard?
Chris.
Navy SEALs are hard. David Goggins, Jocko Willick, Jocko, run this country. David Goggins, run this country. Kyle Milliken. You guys know who Kyle Milliken is? You know who Marcus Petrelli is?
Chris.
You guys know who they are? I bet you read their books. You guys think they're hard? I'm hard. I'm hard as Tell me, get it. Shins, baby. Shins. 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 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Get the back now. Go read your Bible. Shut the
No, stop, boss. Chris, can you stop and listen? We need to get you help. You know
I'm gonna
you
go
need
get me
help.
help. Don't
no,
stop
with us.
Don't shoot me here.
No, Chris.
Please don't shoot me. I'm going to get my own help. Stop.
We're gonna stop. We need
I'm
to
going
get
to
you
put a
help.
shirt on, and I'm
Chris,
going to get my own
stop.
help. Don't shoot me in the back.
Hey,
Don't shoot me in the back, Reno PD. Don't arrest me. Don't touch me.
We're gonna get you to
I have broken no laws. Shut the up. Let me be quiet. Let me be quiet and go in my own house that I earned with my blood, my sweat, and my tears.
I understand.
Shut the up.
We're gonna get you some help.
I'm gonna go get some right now.
We're gonna get you to.
I'm gonna go get shut the up. I'm walking.
No.
Ah!
You need to stop, my friend. I'm here to help you. We're trying to help you.
You will not put your hands on me. You guys will not touch me. You especially, you're all weak.
Okay, Chris.
Think I'm on? Think I'm cranked out? Wood.
It's not long until officers decide they've seen enough.
Can I pray, guys?
Chris.
Can I pray?
No.
I can't pray.
Stop. We need to go get you some
Okay, I'm going. Don't touch me. I'm going in my window.
No, we're not going to
I'm going to my apartment. It's my dog's in there.
Stop.
My dog's in there.
Let's go.
All right, take me to jail.
Thank you.
We're going to take me to jail for it.
We're taking you to the hospital.
You guys take me to the
Take you to the
hospital.
Relax.
My dog.
Relax.
Guys.
Relax on it.
Officers handcuff Chris, who's not exactly calming down.
So why does it take so many of you guys?
Because you're amped up.
No, I'm not amped up. Okay, leave me alone, please.
We're not here to hurt you, bud.
We want to take you to the hospital, man.
You're not taking me to jail. Pull up my pants. Somebody pull up my pants. Pull up my pants, mother.
We'll get your
You! Pull up my pants, you. Pull up my pants.
Chris, stop.
Pull up my pants right now. Pull up my pants. Pull up my pants.
You got your keys so we can close up?
I don't even have my keys on me.
Okay,
leave me the alone.
Make sure that it's closed, okay?
We'll get everything closed up.
Leave me alone.
We'll help you, okay?
Let me touch my dog if you're going to help me. Let me touch my dog if you're trying to help me, mother. You shot me in my mother. My dog's inside my apartment. Let me go in my apartment. Mother. Let me go in my apartment. Please, I don't have weapons, guys. I don't have anything to hurt anybody. Please leave me the alone. I haven't broken any laws. Let me go to the VA hospital. Let me call my buddy Doug Goder to come and take me to the VA hospital. I need to go. Leave me the alone. Please don't cuff me. I didn't break any laws. I will calm down. I'll take a knee. Can I take a knee? Can I please take a knee, guys?
Take a knee. Take a knee.
All right, now I'm calm. Can you guys please let me go to the hospital now?
That's where we're going there.
Okay.
Officers lead our suspect to the parking lot, where an ambulance is waiting.
Oh shit, somebody video this. Please, somebody video this. Reno! Help! Reno PD! You! Get out of my, where's my dog? Where's Remy? Where's Remy? Come on. Where's Remy? Where's Remy, my dog? Give me my dog. Pull my pants up, you mother. I'm sorry for calling names.
Okay, can you stop?
Sorry for calling names.
Chris, we're just trying to get you help, my friend.
I just want to get my dog. Get the out of my apartment, you.
Your apartment.
That is my place.
Agreed. Chris, ambulance right there, my friend.
Where's my dog? Where's my dog?
It's in the house.
Where's my dude? Let me close up my stuff.
They just did
My
that.
window's wide open. You guys went in. You're smoking a cigarette. Let me have my dog. Let me have my dog, Remy.
Ambulance right there. What kind of dog you got, my friend?
You guys are so weak.
Right there.
You go.
Okay.
No, you go.
Go. Chris, come on, man.
What am I doing wrong? Am I breaking a law?
Yes.
How?
You're being too loud. You piss all your neighbors off by screaming.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Chris is eventually seated on a stretcher, where he's not done talking yet.
So when can I go back in? Because I've broken no laws. I've done nothing wrong except for yell. And I will shut the up. And I just asked you guys to leave me alone so I could do push-ups. You guys won't leave me alone. Don't look through my Do I go in your house and look through your Okay, well maybe I will.
Later, one nice officer really cracks this case. Take a look.
Can you push my elbow back a little bit?
Back like this?
Yeah, that way, yeah, keep going.
Say when.
Keep going. Yeah, keep going. Just go, dude. Send it, full send.
I'm not gonna go too hard. I don't want to hurt you, man.
Do as hard as you can, bro.
I know, but I don't want to hurt your joints or nothing.
I need it to break. I need it to pop.
Doctors are chiropractors, so we'll let them figure that out.
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah, Reno.
There you go.
Thank you for shooting me, man. That was the best thing you ever did to me.
It's here our suspect brings out his inner Uncle Rico.
Did you fall at all or anything, Chris? Looks like you have a little scrape on your back here.
Yeah.
You fell?
I fell. I did a back roll.
Oh, okay. Did you hit your head at all?
No, I just did it on purpose because I'm just practicing. I'm gonna walk on at UNR for football.
All right.
I've been training for it. Yeah, thanks. Hey, I need a blanket. Get it. Sorry. I cracked the whip though.
We can grab you a blanket.
Yeah, I can get that.
No, I don't need one.
They're on right here, ready for you.
Yeah, I got it right here, man.
I don't need it.
All right, cousin.
They call me the White Geronimo.
The white Geronimo. What position do you want playing football?
Running back, 34. I want to go get tattooed right now on my chest, a big heart right on my chest, and 34 right underneath it on my ribs, right next to the Fighting Irish. Or somewhere, I'm just visualizing.
What's the 34 stand for, my man?
Who's the best running back ever to play football in the history of the NFL?
Who's that? Peyton?
Yeah, buddy!
Okay.
Chris finally agrees to lay back his handcuffs and prepare to take Chris to the hospital.
Here's your phone right here in between your legs.
Put it right on my... Put my phone on my big old... Please.
All right, this is...
Right. Can somebody put on the song on my phone? It's called Geronimo. No, don't do that. Don't touch my phone.
This thing's Geronimo.
I don't know, but it's awesome. It'll get you going, guys. It'll get you woken up in the morning. And it'll also warm you up when it's nice and toasty warm in the cool. Whoa! Woo! Top of the morning to you. I'm shutting up. I'm never talking again. It's the last time I talked.
But as you might have guessed, that's not the last time we hear from Chris.
Of course it is. Please pour a cold cup of water right on my nuts.
The only thing I need to do here is for
Reno
maintenance
PD.
to make sure it's locked up.
As Chris heads for the hospital.
At first glance, this video looks like something familiar. A loud guy, a lot of officers, a tense standoff that ends in handcuffs. But if that's all you see here, you miss the real story. Because this wasn't a tough guy versus the police moment. It was a slow-motion collapse, played out in public by someone who had already been fighting battles long before officers ever showed up. And the most uncomfortable truth is this: almost everyone in this situation was doing something right, and it still ended in jail. Let's talk about Chris. Chris wasn't just angry, he wasn't just intoxicated, and he wasn't simply trying to act tough. What we saw was emotional flooding, a state where the brain is overloaded and logic shuts down. Look at the pattern. He boasts about strength, then begs officers not to shoot him, then apologizes, then insults them again, then asks for help, then rejects help. That back and forth isn't manipulation, it's instability. Later, neighbors reveal crucial context: a history of military service, a possible traumatic brain injury, steroid use, hard drug use to push through training and then come back down. That combination is volatile. Steroids increase aggression, stimulants amplify paranoia, brain injuries reduce impulse control. So when Chris says, "I'm scared of myself," that might be the most honest line in the entire video. A lot of viewers ask the same question after videos like this: why didn't the police just leave him alone? Here's the uncomfortable answer. Once officers are called, and once they see behavior like this, they can't unsee it. Chris wasn't yelling inside his apartment. He was outside in a shared space screaming at 1:30 a.m. He refused commands, he fixated on weapons, he challenged officers physically, and he repeatedly escalated after calming moments. From a policing standpoint, this checks multiple danger boxes: unpredictable behavior, potential substance influence, public disturbance, risk of violence if left unchecked. Leaving him alone wouldn't have been de-escalation, it would have been abandonment. Here's something the internet doesn't like to admit. De-escalation is not magic. Officers tried. Distance, calm voices, humor, empathy, medical options, and for short moments, it worked. But de-escalation requires participation. When someone can't stay regulated, when they keep bouncing back into aggression, the options narrow fast. At some point, officers had to decide, do we wait until this turns physical, or do we take control now? That decision is rarely clean, and it almost never feels good. One of the most tragic parts of this case is how often Chris says the same thing: I need help. And he's right, but the system doesn't always deliver help in the way people imagine. In theory, jail isn't treatment. In reality, it's sometimes the only place that can legally interrupt the spiral. That doesn't mean it's the best solution. It means it's the available one. Chris wasn't jailed because he needed help. He was jailed because his behavior, driven by that need, crossed public safety lines. And that distinction matters. This video makes people uncomfortable because there's no easy villain. Chris isn't a monster, the officers aren't bullies, and the system isn't designed for moments like this. This is what happens when trauma goes untreated, substance use becomes coping, mental health care comes too late, and the first responders are police, not clinicians. By the time the badge shows up, the crisis is already underway. Chris eventually pleaded no contest and was sentenced to 60 days in jail. That closed the case on paper. But it didn't solve the deeper problem, because when he gets out, the same questions remain. Is he getting real treatment? Is his substance use being addressed? Is there support waiting, or just silence? And that's the part we don't see on Bodycam. Remember how this started? A man yelling in the middle of the night, saying he wasn't scared of police, but scared of himself. By the end of the video, nothing about that changed. The volume went down. The cuffs went on. The paperwork got filed. But the fear he talked about? That's still there. And until systems figure out how to meet people before they reach this point, we'll keep seeing stories like this, not as exceptions, but as warnings. If you want more breakdowns like this, focused on understanding what actually happens during police encounters, not just reacting to them, consider subscribing. And if this video made you rethink even one assumption, then it did what it was supposed to do.